In this video, we'll show you how to rig your aerial yoga hammock with multiple links. Take the multiple link under one of the fabric tails. Take the stitched end of the multiple link through the end of the loop on the other side. Cinch that tight. Finish the tie with a safety knot. Loop the fabric around, under, and through to tie a basic knot around the multiple link. Pull both ends tight and ensure you have at least 12 inches of tail at the end. Follow the same process on the other side. Take the multiple link under the fabric and loop it through the other end. Then tie your safety knot, ensuring you have at least 12 inches of slack. Attach your carabiners and you're ready to fly.